Welcome back. This is the second episode in our series of which milk should you buy, or which milk tastes best with your coffee, matcha, and on its own. So this is now comparing milk from the Philippines. This is Emborg, Alaska, Nestlé, and Meiji. So for those that do not know, Meiji is from Thailand and it is now available in the Philippines. This is not a paid promotion. Stick around until the end of this video, and in this clip we are going to talk about which of these milk is best for iced latte. So we're going to pull espresso shots and add into our milk. Okay, so now I have pulled 2 double shots of espresso. They're all lined up there, and I have here 4 glasses. These are all 12 ounces, equal amounts of milk, and then we are going to add the ice into the milk. I'm going to use the same amount as well. Let's just say 1 scoop of this. So into the Emborg glass. This is Alaska. This is Nestlé. And a little bit more just to make it equal. And finally, we have Meiji here. I'm trying to make it all equal so you can see there's a line there. So more or less aligned. So let's find out. Let's find out that when we put coffee here, just plain iced latte, how will they taste like? But I normally add a little bit of sweetener here. But just for the purpose of just tasting the milk, whether it gives a certain sweetness and also creaminess without that added sugar syrup, we're not going to add them here. But you can by all means add vanilla syrup, caramel syrup, any syrup of your choice. So here is my first one, which is double shot of espresso, 18 grams in, and for this I'm using 36 grams out. So there you go. First one down. And finally, the last one, which is for Meiji. I poured it too soon. And we have 4 iced latte using different types of milk. So I am going to taste test this, and I'm going to invite Jerome once again to taste test, but blind tasting. Okay, we all have very good looking, all of them good looking here, iced latte. What we are going to test here is number 1, look for the natural sweetness. That means because we didn't add any sugar syrup here, did the milk give some natural sweetness? And the second thing that we are looking for here is, did the milk overpower the coffee? Or the final one that we are going to look for here is, did the milk complement the coffee? Okay, so those 3 categories that we're looking for. So we'll start with Emborg, looking for natural sweetness. This is strong coffee. I could taste the milk a little bit, which gives it some milky taste, but did it complement the taste of the coffee? I would say yes. Did it overpower the taste of coffee? I would say no. Now let's look at Alaska. Color is beautiful. Is it naturally sweet? I'd say it is perfect. Did the milk overpower the coffee? Not really. There's that balance there. And did it complement the coffee? Yes, but the aftertaste is that of the milk. Nestlé. Is it naturally sweet? The taste of the coffee is stronger in this one. Did it overpower the taste of the coffee? Definitely not. Coffee is stronger. And did it complement the coffee? Not really. There's no balance. Coffee is stronger in this one. And finally, Meiji. Meiji has got that sweet, creamy texture. Did it overpower the coffee? No. Did it complement the coffee? Yes, the aftertaste is coffee. I would say, for me personally, I would pick, Alaska is doing quite well in this taste test. I would say Emborg, Alaska, Meiji, would be the best amongst these three brands if you are going to make iced coffee. So there you go. Now let's proceed with blind tasting with Jerome. Okay? No blindfold necessary because we have rearranged it and I have the arrangement down below. He hasn't seen it. You haven't, right?
I have not seen it.
Okay, so now we're looking for, has it got some natural sweetness? Did the milk overpower the coffee or did the milk complement the coffee? Okay, start with the first one here.
Okay. Let's stir it a bit. There is no natural sweetness in this one. In the first one, there's no natural sweetness, and the milk did not overpower the coffee. I feel like the taste of coffee was very strong. So
Did it complement?
did it complement? I would say not so much.
Okay.
Okay, second one.
Then
So the second one, there is a slight natural sweetness. The milk overpowered the coffee a little bit, and did it complement the coffee? I would say I'm neutral with that. Just
Okay.
neutral. The third one. There's no natural sweetness. The milk did not overpower the coffee, and the milk did not complement the coffee.
there's nothing good there.
Yeah.
Nothing good.
This natural sweetness, the milk did not overpower the coffee, and the milk did complement the coffee. So I would say between these, number 2 and number 4. I think I like both number 2 and number 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you were to buy milk, you would buy the milk that was used for number 2 and number 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's find out what they are. Okay. Number 1 was Meiji.
Oh wow.
Number 2 is Alaska.
Ooh.
Number
Okay.
3 is Nestlé. And number 4 is Emborg. So the verdict, Jerome prefers Emborg and Alaska for iced latte.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Thank you very much for helping us out on this one.
Thank you.
See you again in the next episode.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you go. I mean, personally, I think that, as I have said earlier, I kind of like these three. They were all marginally different. But then again, if I had to base it on the results from Jerome, these two fared very well, Alaska and Emborg. So it also depends on your recipe. For me, balance is very important. So what I do normally is I use double the proportion of the espresso and milk. So if I put 30 grams of espresso, I would use 60 grams of milk, 60 ml of milk. That would give the perfect balance. But for the recipe for 12 ounces cups, I typically use 4 ounces or 120 ml of milk. And for my espresso, I use 45 to 60 grams of espresso. And then add a little bit of sweetener, which could be in terms of just sugar, which could be just sugar syrup, vanilla syrup, or white chocolate syrup, depending on the flavor that you are offering in your shop. So for those at home, stay away from Nestlé. And you can pick either Alaska or Emborg. For those with coffee shops, Emborg would fare very well because this is the most cost efficient. And so far, in the first clip, which shows just plain milk by itself, Emborg was the best. And now with iced coffee, Emborg still came out the best, and Alaska. So take your pick. Emborg is the cheapest of all these four. Why spend more if it's better or it's good enough? That's all I would like to share with you today in this episode. I will be seeing you again for the third episode of this series, Which Milk Tastes Best. And in the next episode, it's going to be tasting these 4 brands of milk from the Philippines on matcha. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.